Hello mga mommies! Welcome to my vlogs, whatever. I am Mommy Emmy, ang inyong bagong financial advisor pagdating sa vlog. For this video, ang gagawin po natin is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-register sa Tala. Paano ako na-upload kay Tala. And a lot of people asking kung legit nga ba si Tala. And disclaimer lang po that this video is based on my experience and not sponsored by Tala. And now, let's move on kung paano mag-register kay Tala. Now, first, download the app and then open it. Then, let's click Get Started. Then, after that, enter your mobile number. And then, after that, type the code na sinend sa mobile number nyo. Then, after that, choose your pen. And then, after, confirm your pen. Then after you read, so ako din po ay hindi ko na alam kung ako pa ay nakapagbasa or basta nabasa ko din naman ata, so click ko lang. So from here, how did you hear from Tala? So please po use the code down below para naman po may pangkape ang inyong kapatid. After that, you've seen your dashboard na. Then, before we proceed to the borrow series, mga kapatid, may mga pagdadaanan pa tayong madugo. So, malalo pa tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng ating ng pag-utang. Now, click the continue, then let's go. Your personal information. So click and continue. Then, put your legal first name. So, parang may legal ata na first name. And then, legal first name. So, your date of birth, hindi bahay, place of birth, and civil status. Sabi pa ng advisor ko sa desk. Civil status. Then, your maiden's name. Then, scroll down lang po tayo. Then, your gender, email address. So, dito sa alternative phone number, this will be optional naman. So, kung isa lang number mo, so you can skip naman. Then, click save and continue. Then, next po, please tell us where you live. So, kasi if in case hindi kayo nagbabayad, so pupuntahan kayo ni Tala para barayan siya. And then, your barangay, permanent address, and the postal code. So, is your address the same as your permanent address? So click if yes, and if it is no, then you'll need to put your permanent address. Then click and save and continue. So dito naman, so please tell us about yourself. So, grabe pati phone, tinanong kung gusto ba o hindi. So, o baka nakaw lang yung phone. So, or if it is new or used. So, then how long have you been using this phone? So, then the last one will be your ID kung meron ka. Then, click save and continue. Then, after that, review your information. Baka pag may mali, so possible hindi tayo ma-upload ni Tala. Then, scroll down mo lang sa the review. And of course, continue. Then your application, welcome mommies, let's get started with your application. So, akala ko din, tapos na. So, may ibang application siya. May ibang application pa pala siya. So, this time, mga kapatid, we should be careful to input our purpose of the money kasi possible hindi tayo ma-approve ni Tala page if they found out na hindi totoo ang mga nakalagay na informations. So, alright? Then, what would you like to use your cash for? So, example lang, if this is for business purposes. So, what kind of business expense is this? Then, for example po, to start a new business. So, what kind of business? So, put it in there na lang kung yung purpose mo is business purposes or for bills purposes. Then, save and continue. Then, which of the following best describe your level of education? So, nakalagay po dyan is master's or PhD degree. O, diba? So, what type of work do you do? So, put it employed. Then, save and continue. Please take note mga kapatid that it's up to you kung ano yung mga nagdi-describe sa inyo. So, huwag niyo pong gayahin kung ano yung mga nilagay ko kasi that is part on my that is part sa akin lang. And hindi naman tayo magkapareho. So, kung ano yung sa inyo, then put it in your own way. Then, what is the name of your current employer? Ilagay lang po that what industry this is in, and how long have you been here, and how frequently do you get paid each month. And then, when will you be paid next? So, kailan ka magkakapera ulit? Then, how much in total did you earn from this job in the last 30 days? So, input nyo lang lahat ng informations. Then, make sure that it is true na walang daya, walang additional kasi pag lang yung additional. So, it might be hindi kayo ma-upload ni Tala. And then, save and continue. Then, next is what is your primary source of funds? So, what other sources of income do you have aside from your employment or business? So, kung check mo lang if that applies to you. Then, save and continue. So, how frequently do you receive other on average? So, is this your primary source of income? How much money on average do you receive each payment? So, save lang and continue. So, So, next tayo, do you have an outstanding loan? So, of course, huwag nyo naman sabihin na meron kasi basic, put it no para ma-approve tayo. Meron ka naman palang outstanding loan tapos nangutang ka pa, paano ka ma-approve? Then, how much in total did you spend on basic needs? Then, utility bills and loans in the last 30 days. So, yun lang. Then, save and continue. Then, review your board exam. Answer pala. Then, scroll down. Then, submit the application. So, then after you read, then click I agree. Then, after that, we are getting to know you better. So, this time naman, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung dashboard ko. So, itong dashboard ko is multiple times na ako nakakuha kay Tala. Before ako nag-apply, ang na-approve sa akin is 2,000 pesos lang. So, dahil ulit-ulit na akong umutang kay Tala PH, kaya umabot na po siya ng 6,000 na limit. Ayun lamang po mga kapatid sa panahon ng palataya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.